In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark from Gamma AI presentation. If you've created a deck in Gamma and noticed a watermark on your slides or exports, the official and reliable way to remove it is to upgrade your plan. Watermarks and branding are added on free tiers to indicate the content was made with the service, and they'll persist on exports until your account is on a paid plan. Let's walk through exactly what to do and why each step matters so you can get clean, professional outputs. First, open your Gamma account and head to your account settings. You'll typically find this by clicking your profile icon or initials, usually in the top corner of the interface. The settings area is where billing and workspace preferences live, and that's where you'll make changes that affect watermarks across your projects. Next, look for the upgrade or pricing option. This takes you to Gamma's plan options. The naming might vary slightly over time, but you're looking for the place where you can see what's included in each tier. This is important because watermark removal is a plan level feature, not a per project toggle. Now choose a paid plan that fits your needs. Before you confirm, scan the plan details to make sure watermark and branding removal is included. It usually is on paid tiers. Consider whether you need features like higher export allowances, advanced themes, or collaboration tools, since those often come bundled with the same upgrade that removes watermarks. If you work in a team or shared workspace, make sure you're upgrading the correct workspace so the benefits apply where you need them. After your upgrade is active, create or export your presentation again. This step is key. Exports created on the free tier will keep their watermark, so you'll want to re-export the deck once your account is upgraded. Open the presentation, choose your preferred export format, such as PDF, images, or a shareable link, and generate a fresh copy. If the change doesn't show immediately, give it a moment and refresh before exporting one more time. With a paid plan, you'll typically see the Gamma watermark and other branding elements removed, and you'll often lift some limitations that exist on the free plan. That means cleaner slides for clients, classrooms, or stakeholders, and a smoother exporting experience overall. To recap, head to Account Settings, go to Upgrade or Pricing, pick a paid plan, and then re-export your presentation. Follow those steps, and your Gamma presentations should come out watermark-free and ready to share.